probably one of the biggest issues with respect to a company carrying on business in Canada, especially in cases where it's a service provider. Anyone paying a non-resident of Canada for services that are to be provided in Canada is subject to a 15% tax withholding. And if that happens to be in the province of Quebec, there's actually an additional 9% tax withholding that needs to be done. So clearly, if you're not anticipating that, that can have a pretty significant cash flow impact to the business. GST and sales taxes are probably the second biggest concern. GST just in the sense that, in the U.S., sales taxes tend to apply more to tangible property than say, services, whereas in Canada, the goods and services tax applies for most goods and services. So a lot of U.S. companies tend to be a bit surprised by that requirement. So if a company finds themselves in a situation of non-compliance, thankfully there is a way to come clean. So the Canada Revenue Agency has a voluntary disclosure program. This kind of gives the company one shot to disclose any past incidences of non-compliance and have a chance to come clean without being exposed to a significant penalty. If they're providing services and they're going to be exposed to the 15% tax withholding, there is an opportunity, if you do it in advance, to request a waiver of that tax withholding. Trowbridge is a Canadian accounting firm that focuses on supporting businesses and individuals that have international tax requirements in all aspects relating to supporting that function, such as outsourced accounting and payroll services.